Imagine a world where robots work side by side with humans, revolutionizing industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Brace yourself as we unlock the mesmerizing world of robotics, where innovation meets automation and the future is brought to life. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a mind-expanding adventure into the world of robotics. Today, we'll witness the awe-inspiring advancements that are propelling us into an era where robots are becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. Get ready to witness the birth of a new era, the robotic revolution. Robotics is no longer a far-fetched concept. It's a tangible reality that is transforming the way we live, work, and interact. With each passing day, robots are becoming smarter, more dexterous, and increasingly capable of performing tasks once thought to be exclusively human. From the towering industrial robots that automate assembly lines, to the nimble service robots that assist us in our daily tasks, the possibilities seem endless. Witness the incredible strides being made in robotics as we explore the diverse range of applications across industries. The impact of robotics is reverberating across industries, transforming the way we manufacture goods, provide healthcare, travel, and so much more. Automation is revolutionizing productivity, efficiency, and safety on an unprecedented scale. Discover how robots are enhancing precision in manufacturing, performing delicate surgical procedures, and even revolutionizing transportation with autonomous vehicles. The potential for innovation and progress knows no bounds. Along this robotic journey, we'll encounter unexpected marvels and breakthroughs that will leave you in awe. From humanoid robots capable of human-like interactions to mind-boggling AI advancements, the possibilities are mind-bending. Witness the convergence of cutting-edge technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and computer vision, that are propelling robotics to new heights. The robotic revolution is upon us, and it's reshaping our world in ways we never thought possible. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the breathtaking innovations, mind-bending possibilities, and incredible potential that lie ahead in the realm of robotics. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey into the world of robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest advancements and witness the unfolding of the robotic revolution. Until next time, embrace the future.